Customer states truck won't start. So, check the starter cable. That could be a problem. So let's dip down here and hook it up. That could be a bigger problem.
Customer brings in their 2004 Tahoe this morning, claims the defrost is blowing, but nothing's happening. It's not working. Let's go find out why. Defrost is on, and that is why it's not working.
See this? This is what happens when Drifty Drift becomes Fucky Fuck. Yeah, I can only guess what happened here. 2 wheels into the fucking curb. There's a slight vibration as the wheel wobbles at 5 miles an hour in a whole car.
So this customer needs brakes. Low pad life, not to mention the cracking. Wanna know what they said? Oh, I don't want to stop, I just want to drive into a bridge.
On today's episode of How Fucked Up Is Fucked Up. That's fucked up. And that's fucked up. And I'm fucked up. On today's episode of How Fucked Up Is Fucked Up. That's fucked up. And that's fucked up. And I'm fucked up.
Customer concern today. Customer states vehicle will not start. Had to make sure the bastard had gas in it, and I forgot before it was up on the damn lift. But let's check out what the problem is. Oh shit, that's a problem. Gonna be doing some wire repair today.
Today we have a 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe. Customer states they hit some railroad tracks and might need an alignment. And a wheel, and a tire, and control arm. Sorry bud, it's gonna be a little bit more than $100. Sorry.
Stealing this from another TikToker I love to watch. I'm for Subaru, not for Ford or GM, I think he is. Aaron does Uber. Customer states had independent shop install new motor. Car no longer runs. Independent shop managed to fry every single ground point in the car. So it needs a new bulkhead harness, a new body harness, and a new engine harness. So this has been my fun. Yay.
Second GN. Uh-oh.
It runs anywhere from 55 to 70.
Aha, all fixed.
Customer states wipers will come on randomly, radio will change stations when vehicles on or off, and a bunch of other random things. Says that the engine is louder since the last oil change. Their seatbelt light is very sensitive. First with the radio, if your radio looks like this and it's a touchscreen, I will tell you right now, it will register your thumbprint. That is right there. It will change. With the seat, if it weighs more than 5 pounds, truthfully 3 pounds, it's gonna kick on the seatbelt light. Don't put stuff in your passenger seat. And just, why do you come in and your vehicle smells like a damn ashtray? Like, come on. This thing's brand new and it already looks like this. It's got 16,000 miles and it already looks like this. What the fuck?